A very good morning to all of you students. Students, we have already started chapter number 8 from our supplementary reader, that is Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is The Hack Driver by Sinclair Lewis. Harry Sinclair Lewis was born on 7 February 1885 in Minnesota, United States. He was an American novelist, short story writer, and playwright. In 1930, he became the first writer from the United States to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. He died on 10th January 1951 in Rome, Italy. In this lesson, a young lawyer is made to serve summons instead of practicing law. He hates his job as sometimes he is beaten up. Once he is directed by the law firm to serve summons to one Mr. Oliver Lutkins, who lived in a village called New Mullion. The young lawyer goes to the village with some expectations of village life, but he is disappointed. He meets a hack driver who is very helpful man according to him. Hack Driver is an interesting story written by Sinclair Lewis. The story is about a young lawyer. He is made to serve summons instead of practicing law. He works as a junior assistant clerk in a law firm. He hates his job as sometimes he is beaten up. Once he was directed by the law firm to serve summons to one Mr. Oliver Lutkins, who lived in a village called New Million. It was a place 40 miles in the countryside. The young lawyer goes to the village with some expectations of village life, but he is very badly disappointed. He was quite excited to get away from the quite crowded life of the big city, but the streets were muddy and the shops looked very dull. The only interesting thing for him was the delivery man. He meets a hack driver who is a very helpful person, according to him. The hack driver takes him round the village in search of Lutkins, but could not find him. The delivery man told him that Lutkins was a hard fellow to be caught. The young lawyer returns to their working place. After that, again he is directed by the law firm to serve Lutkins. This time he was not alone but with a person who worked with Lutkins. Finally, we got that the hack driver who spent the day with lawyer is the Mr. Oliver Lutkins. So here we see that the author was duped by Oliver Lutkins. So this was all about the story, students, and let's start with the question answers of the chapter. First question is, why is the lawyer sent to New Mullion? What does he first think about the place? The lawyer was sent to New Mullion to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins, who was needed as a witness in a law case. He first thinks that the place must be a sweet and simple country village. Who befriends him? Where does he take him? A hack driver at the station who called himself Bill Magnuson befriends him. He told the lawyer that he knew Lutkins and would help in finding him. Bill took him to all the places where Lutkins was known to hang out. He took the lawyer to Fritz's shop, where Lutkins played a lot of poker, to Gustav's barber shop, and then to Gray's barber shop, to the pool room, and several other places before finally taking him to the farm of Lutkins' mother. However, Oliver Lutkins was not found. What does he say about Lutkins? Bill told the lawyer that Lutkins was a hard person to find as he was always busy in some activity or the other. He owed money to many people, including Bill, and he never paid back anybody. He also said that Lutkins played a lot of poker and was good at deceiving people. What more does Bill say about Lutkins and his family? Bill told the lawyer that he knew Lutkins' mother. He said that she was a terror. He narrated an incident when he took a trunk to her once and she almost took his skin off because he did not carry it carefully. He also said that she was very tall and bulky. She was very quick and could talk a lot. He said that Lutkins must have heard that somebody was chasing him and consequently would have gone into hiding at his mother's place. Does the narrator serve the summons that day? No, the narrator did not serve the summons that day. Who is Lutkins? The hack driver himself is Lutkins but pretends to be Bill Magnuson. He tricks the lawyer to avoid the summons to be witness in a case. So, I hope students you have understood the chapter and got a clue to write the answers of questions also. So please update your notebook with this chapter and prepare for the weekly test also. Have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you all.